Good morning. Wake up, it's 7 o'clock.
Oh, I'm so sleepy. Is it time?
Yes. You have a doctor's appointment, remember?
I forgot. My head hurts a little.
Come on, get up. I have a surprise.
I don't want to move.
I made a steaming mug of coffee for you.
Thank you. You are so kind. Give me 5 minutes.
No, we will be late. Get ready now.
Okay. I'm getting up.
We need some food for the week.
Look at these bananas. They are so bright and yellow.
They look fresh. Put a bunch in the cart.
Do we need apples too?
Yes, get 6 red apples.
The produce section is very colorful today.
It is. I have the bread and milk already.
Great. Where is the checkout counter?
It's right there under the blue sign. Let's go.
Oh no. Something is wrong with the laptop.
What happened?
I don't know. The screen is glowing, but nothing works.
Look here. I am pointing at the screen.
What is that small icon?
It says no internet. That's the problem.
Oh, I see it now. I was so confused.
Don't worry. Check the router in the living room.
You're right. I'll check it now.